Alright, so when putting the airflow deflector back in, take your two thumbs and turn the mask kind of inside out. And you'll see these two holes right here where those two notches I was talking about go in. Take that first notch, put it inside the hole, take the other one, put it inside the other hole, and you can turn this mask back to its regular shape. And then take the wagon wheel, put it in there, and push it down around that little piece protruding out in the middle. And make sure you push it around the edges and get it good and flush. Then take the nose cut valve disc, the two little ones, stick it in there. Make sure that you have these facing away from your nose. Just imagine you don't want these coming in and tickling your nose. You want them to face out towards the eye lenses. Get in the hole, grab it from the other side, and pull it through. Do the same to the other one. Now the internal drink tube. There's a little piece down in here that you want to push it on. Push it on there and move that little clear rubber piece down around it to kind of cinch down on it. Next, the outlet valve disc. Go ahead and put it through the hole. Reach down into that hole from the inside. Grab the tail end and pull it in place. Take the outlet valve cover. Put that on the one side, attach it to the other side, and go ahead and pull it down over it. Make sure it's good and secure on there. Take the external drink tube, put it back in the drink tube retainer, and take the side voice emitter. First put in the gasket in place. Then when you're putting this side voice emitter in, you don't want to see bronze. If you move it around, you'll be able to see some bronze inside there. You do not want to see that. You want to see the black side, and if you want to make sure that you're putting it in right, look at the front voice emitter. They'll look pretty much the same, a little bit different, mostly because they're on different scale. So go ahead and put that in there, and then put the retainer in. And once again, use that ring to tighten it up, because you want that to be tight. You don't want any air getting in there. The outserts, the eye lens outserts. Take this piece of rubber and fold it over the front. It'll help you putting it on easier. So fold that over the front, match it up to the eye lens that it belongs to, and just go ahead and fold that rubber back over. Do the same to the other eye lens outsert. Take the canister, put that back on. Make sure that when you're putting the canister on and when you're putting the side voice emitter on, make sure that the side voice emitter is on the side that your rifle will be on, because you don't want the canister getting in the way of your buttstock coming up against your face. You want to be able to get the buttstock close to your face, so put the side voice emitter on the side that your buttstock will be on. The head harness. Go ahead and make sure that this piece of fabric that's stitched on there is away from your head. You want the smooth part up against your head, because with this being pressed up against your head tightly, you'll get a headache. So make sure that this is facing away from you. And then also make sure that this is facing down. So just picture it as a little guy just hanging out with his junk hanging down. So The proper way to make sure that this is putting on is make sure the little guy has his junk hanging down, and make sure that the stitched fabric is facing away from your head. Go ahead and put that on, and look in the manual if you want to figure out how to properly fit it.